right, let's take a look at the new camera they have here. Now this is going to be a replacement of the GoPro, if you guys can see that. It looks pretty good. It has a kick end, the same screen as the last one we have too. There's nothing to move. This is waterproof up to 30 feet in depth, I believe it is. The function in the bottom is a magnet, is a release button here. It's a smaller version. It's not the same as the Insta360, right? It's a little different. Function still has the same connection here on the right, which is for the Type C. So the screen itself is a little large, the same size as the Insta360 3. Functions, you got your battery in here, you got your actual Type C, your power button, and of course I believe you can change the lenses on this. I'm not quite sure, and it does have a display for selfies, a display in the front and the back. So overheating is a problem with the GoPro, so we're gonna try this one now later in the future and see how well it works. SD card, I believe there's an SD card in the battery slot. That's where you go in there. So very good, very simple. And of course Insta360, the applications works pretty much across platform. Combining it with the actual stabilizer will be another option, but it has built-in stabilizer, good for high and low light. Can you change the lens on this one if you scratch it?
That's a good question. Actually, at the beginning we can do it, but right now.
Okay. So
But
there's
we
no
can- we
you can't
can-
rotate it. It doesn't come off. Oh yeah, that doesn't come off. Yeah.
Yes, but if you broke it, we can replay for you for free.
Because on your other one, Insta360, you can do that.
Yes.
That's the beautiful thing about it.
This is not about the beauty, it's about another reason, it's
Yeah.
about the pattern.
But the problem is that this one right here, you're gonna scratch it in the future. You know, it's a GoPro. Like if you treat it like a GoPro, it's gonna be scratched, and that's a problem
Yes,
I had.
this is a pattern problem
Okay.
because the GoPro have this pattern,
Oh yeah, I see.
so we
Yeah.
don't need.
So maybe put in a film, and then just a film sticker, still film.
yeah,
protect
that's the
it, yeah,
solution.
that's the solution.
Actually, we have other solution.
This is a 4K up to 4K, 60 frames per second. That's max.
No, max
Yeah,
is 8K.
8K. Oh my God. That,
8K 24.
memory. What's the maximum memory you can install on this one? The SD card.
500.
512 gigs.
Yes.
Okay, maximum. You can't get a terabyte in there. It's not Mac capable. They sell the terabyte SD cards now.
Yes.
So you're capable of putting up to 500, he said, but we have to search a little bit more.
Yes. Yeah,
But you
yeah,
guys see the battery similar to the GoPro.
Yeah.
The SD card goes on where does the SD card go in?
Here,
Oh, in the
here.
same slot. Okay, the
Yes.
same slot. Okay. Well, thank you.
And I think I know pocket
Is
screen.
this included with it, or is that separate?
This is
Okay.
safety is separate, and I think the forget on like this.
Oh, I see what you're doing. Okay, so you put the gestures.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Just gonna take a picture. There it goes. I like that.
And the voice control. Take a photo.
Voice control too.
Yes. You can say take a photo. You can try.
Yeah. Take a photo.
Yeah.
Take a
Lost.
photo.
The lost.
Take a photo.
Take a photo. It's lost.
Yeah, it's okay. There's a lot of people around. That's why. But that's great. Great camera. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.